Hey there, cruisers! Before we dive into today's video, I want to share a quick tip. The best way to enjoy a seamless cruise experience is by knowing what not to do. Cabin stewards work hard to keep your vacation running smoothly, but some habits of passengers can really get on their nerves. In this video, we're revealing the top 14 things passengers unknowingly do that drive stewards crazy, even if they think they're being helpful. Stay tuned, because some of these might surprise you, especially number 6. But first, let's start with a simple mistake many of us have made. 1. The Do Not Disturb dilemma. Let's kick things off with the Do Not Disturb sign. It's a common mistake. You head out for the day, pop the sign on the door thinking you're being considerate so your room won't be disturbed while you're out. But when you come back, your cabin is untouched, and you wonder, why didn't they clean it? Here's why. When that sign is up, stewards can't enter, period. Even if you're out for hours, that sign essentially creates an invisible barrier, and a lot of guests don't realize this, leading to confusion and frustration later. Remember, it's easy to forget the sign, but it's crucial for the staff's cleaning routine. So next time you need a quick clean or towel swap, just remove that sign before leaving. 2. The flush disaster. Moving on to the next big problem, flushing the wrong things. You've probably heard this before, but it can't be stressed enough. Cruise ship toilets are high-tech vacuum systems, designed to handle only human waste and toilet paper. Some passengers, though, treat it like a trash chute and try to flush wipes, sanitary products, or even worse, plastic cups. One wrong flush can clog up the system, not just in your room, but for the entire section of cabins. Stewards are the ones who have to deal with that mess. Just stick to the basics. Toilet paper only. It's a small thing, but it can save a lot of headaches for you and the crew. 3. The towel trouble. Let's talk towels. You might think you're doing a good deed by folding your used towels before leaving, but in reality, this creates a problem for the steward. When a towel is folded, they have no way of knowing if it's fresh or used. So, when they go to replace your towel, you might just get the same one you left on the floor. To avoid that gross boomerang effect, just leave your towel on the floor or drape it over a chair. Keep it simple. Let the stewards know what needs to be swapped. Toss it or drape it, but don't fold it. 4. The secret mess. Some passengers try to hide the mess they've made, thinking it'll avoid a damage fee. One guest tried to hide broken glass under the bed, a glittery booby trap for the next person. Another stashed a stained pillowcase behind the curtains. Newsflash: stewards are experts at finding hidden messes. They've seen it all and know all the hiding spots. Rather than hiding the mess, just report it. When in doubt, speak up and avoid turning your cabin into a crime scene. 5. The white towel beauty fail. Here's a beauty tip. Never use the ship's pristine white towels for makeup, self-tanner, or sunblock. You might think you're helping by using them to wipe off your bronzer, but those stains are permanent. Once a towel is stained with makeup or self-tanner, it's pretty much ruined, and your steward gets blamed for it. Avoid the beauty disaster by bringing your own dark washcloths for these routines. Save the ship's towels for their intended use, and bring your own if you want to use them for beauty. 6. The red wine balcony spill. Here's a classic disaster. Spills. One guest spilled a full glass of red wine on their balcony, and a mess dripped down to the cabin below. Another passenger's pina colada dripped onto someone's swimsuit drying on a balcony. Spills can happen, but they cause chaos, and stewards are left to clean it all up, hoping the sticky mess doesn't attract bugs. So, next time, be extra careful with your drinks on the balcony. Liquids on balconies can quickly become a big problem, so handle with care. 7. The towel animal demands are the famous towel animals. They're cute and fun, but some passengers take it too far, making elaborate requests like, "Can I get a towel swan, but make it romantic?" Look, stewards are amazing at folding towels, but they're not magicians. They're already juggling dozens of cabins and don't need extra requests. Enjoy the surprise towel animals, but don't expect a masterpiece every time. Let the towel animals be a fun surprise, not a custom order. 8. The hovering habit. You know the type. The guest who keeps asking, "When is my room going to be ready?" Stewards have a set schedule to clean multiple cabins, and when passengers hover around asking for specific times, it messes with that system. It's like trying to predict the exact moment your lunch will be ready at a busy restaurant. Be patient, and your room will be cleaned in due time. Patience is key. Trust the system. 9. The wet towel disaster. You've just come from the pool. And what do you do with your wet towels? Leave them everywhere, on the bed, chairs, or draped over the balcony railing. The cabin feels like a swamp, and stewards are stuck dealing with a soggy mess. To avoid that, just toss the towels on the floor if you want them replaced, or hang them in the bathroom if you want them to dry. Help your steward out by being mindful of where your wet towels go. Keep it tidy to avoid a soggy mess for both you and the steward. 10. The dirty dish dilemma. Reusing dirty cups or plates might seem eco-friendly, but it's actually a sanitation violation. Cruise ships are strict about cleanliness, so used cups and plates need to be replaced, not reused. Don't stash them in drawers or reuse them for multiple days. Always request fresh dishes when needed. It's better for your health and the crew's sanity. Don't reuse dirty dishes. 11. The premature entry. You board the ship, and your cabin door is slightly ajar. You think, "Great, let me get settled in," and walk right in. The problem: your cabin might not be ready yet. The bed might not be made, and things might still be in progress. You just threw off the steward's timing, which can be a big deal on the chaotic embarkation day. Wait until your room is ready before entering. Don't rush it. Let the room be fully prepped for you. 12. The balcony lockout. Locking yourself out on the balcony is a cruise classic. One moment, you're taking a selfie. The next moment, click, the door locks behind you. Now, you're stuck outside, and your steward has to pause their work to get you back inside. Remember, never fully close the balcony door unless you're sure someone's inside. Avoid the balcony lockout, and avoid making a steward's day more stressful. 13. The "it can wait" syndrome. If something's broken in your room, like the shower isn't draining or the toilet is acting weird, report it right away. Waiting days only makes the problem harder to fix, especially if the steward is on a tight schedule. Speak up early to avoid bigger issues down the road. Small issues need quick attention. Don't let them become a bigger problem. 14. The rude passengers. Lastly, the one thing that stewards absolutely hate the most: being ignored or treated rudely. A simple greeting, a smile, or a thank you can make a huge difference. They're the ones working tirelessly behind the scenes to make your trip special. Treat them with respect, and they'll go above and beyond for you. A little kindness can go a long way, trust me. Remember to smile and be polite. It's free, and it makes a big impact. Now that you know what habits to avoid, you're ready to make your next cruise a smoother experience for both you and the hard-working stewards. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insider tips. Got a funny or awkward cruise story of your own? Drop it in the comments below, especially if it involves a towel animal gone wrong. Happy cruising!